At the staff meeting.
The Boston Typewriter Orchestra uses old-style typewriters to give them their rhythmic tone.
It's got a limited range of sounds, so you really have to work at what you're trying to extract out of it.
So how does a group like this even get started?
We came together in the beginning as a bunch of weirdos that kind of like to bang on typewriters and that were, for one reason or the other, obsessed about making noises on typewriters.
And once we realized, we're trying to entertain an audience and not just kind of have a laugh like banging like monkeys on typewriters, I think it really just started to gel.
And the orchestra's popularity is on the rise. Back in business after the pandemic, they're playing live at parties. The BTO is building their own brand and loving it.
It's always somewhat gratifying when we play out and see how much people enjoy what we do.
We discourage other orchestras from appearing. We don't need the competition, so. We have a team of winners.
The Boston Typewriter Orchestra, they do about 1 or 2 gigs a month. Each member has about 2 or 3 typewriters, and they're always on the lookout for more. Liam and Kate, just when you think you've seen everything, you witness something that blows you away, and also, they don't dress down for casual Friday.
No.
Liam needs to be a member of this group. He fits right in.
She knows I do the...
Yes.
Hold on, I got a laptop right here.
Doesn't matter. It's fine. Levin, it's the best story ever. Thank you.
Right there. Oh, Levin, that was beautiful. I love it. I have to see the concert.
I love it.
I'm gonna have
I'm
to
going to
go
get you
to the concert.
tickets.
Thank you, Levin. Still to come, the double duty facing Gillette Stadium. Why it's about to get very... I'm taking you as my date.
No, you and your wife can
Taking
go.
you as
You and your wife can go and have a great time. I'm not going.